Hello everyone, this is my next lecture regarding your atomic numbers. Before this lecture, I have taught you about S block and P block elements. So now today I am going to discuss the tricks to remember the atomic number 1 to 30 with you. So starting from atomic number 1 to 10, first is your hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So here the trick is your first for H, this will be your happy. For helium it will be your Henry. Lithium for likes, happy Henry likes. Beryllium for beans. Boron for but. Carbon for could not. And for nitrogen often found near. So here your trick is that for hydrogen we will have happy H. For helium we will have He Henry. For lithium the symbol is with likes Li. Beryllium Be beans. Boron the symbol B. But and could for C. Carbon not for N. Nitrogen oxygen of O. Often found and near is for neon. So happy Henry like beans but could not often found near. Here the trick is for 1 to 10 atomic numbers. So now the atomic mass generally is your 2 multiplied by the atomic number for most of the cases. So here your atomic mass for one hydrogen is 1. This is your exception. Then for helium it is double, that is your 4. For lithium it should be 6 but it is 7 because of lithium will have two isotopes, lithium 6 and lithium 7. Because of that there exists lithium 7. Same with the beryllium, atomic number is 4 but the mass is 9. Boron it mass is 11. For carbon double of 6 is 12. For nitrogen double of 7 is 14. For oxygen double of 8 is 16. For fluorine similarly there will be a 19 exception, and for neon double will be 20. So this is for 1 to 10. Now moving to next 11 to 20. So for 11 to 20 we are having atomic number 11 for a sodium, then 12 for magnesium, 13 for aluminium, 14 for silicon, 15 for phosphorus, 16 for sulfur, 17 for chlorine, 18 for argon, 19 for potassium, 20 for a calcium. And here the trick is na मांग अल्लाह से पेप्सी कोला और काला कट्टा. So here we have sodium Na for na, mang for magnesium Mg, aluminium Al Allah, silicon is for Allah say. Here we use I for writing say so that we can easily get the symbol Si. Then Pepsi for P. Phosphorus, Pepsi is a one word but we split here Pepsi, and Cs is for sulfur, cola is for chlorine, or is for argon, and K is for kala is for potassium, and kala katta Ca for calcium. This kala katta is a thing which we in our younger ages we used to have ice cream of ice, that is your kala katta K. Then the thing is now na mang Allah say Pepsi, Cola or Kala Katta is a trick for remembering atomic number 11 to 20. And here the masses are same, like for sodium it should be 12 but it should be 11 multiplied by plus 11 it should be 22 but it will be 23. For magnesium double of 12 is 24. Aluminium it should be 26 but it will 27. For silicon it should be 20 and it is 28. For phosphorus it is 31 but it should be 30, that because of exception because of the existence of isotopes. Same with the sulfur 32. Same with chlorine, we have a chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Because of that we get atomic mass is 35.5. Now with argon it should be double but it is 40, and potassium it should be 38, it has 39, and for calcium it is 40. So this is the symbol or the trick or the way how you will remember atomic number 11 to 20. So sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. Now moving to next 21 to 30. This is the 21 to 30, and here the 21 is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. And here the trick is science, teacher, very, cruel, mange, fair, copy, nickel, copper, zinc. Here why we do this? Here the simple thing is, for scandium we use science, teacher we write TE teacher, but the symbol is TI, so you can make it TI also. Very for vanadium, cruel, mange MN, fair FE, that is the reason I write here FE, copy, nickel, copper, zinc. So this is a simple trick. By using this trick you can check science, teacher, very, cruel, mange, fair, copy, nickel, copper, zinc, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. And here are the masses, atomic masses of these 2130 elements, but it is not that much required to remember these masses for 21 to 30, because for these you were given maximum time in the exams, and the one main is your iron. You can remember this, that iron 26 and its mass is 56. So this is the similar simple tricks. By using that tricks you can remember 1 to 30 atomic numbers in a serial order, and you will not get any type of confusion to remember these tricks. And by using this method you can get to know about the 1 to 30 elements, which include S block element also, P block element also, and D block first row 21 to 30. And the rest we have done in S block and P block. Hope you understand this. Keep, share, like the video. Thank you.